Good morning, sweeties. Samantha with Femi Sense, and today is Saturday, May 15th. So that means we're 31 months in. I think I'm past that point when I can start saying months. Yo, we 2.5 years in. So keep it at that. Today, I'm going to get me a much needed retie. So we about to just sit here and just take my hair down with me and just chit chat for a second, because I know I haven't done it in a while, haven't done any hair updates. Y'all kind of like, what is she doing? She gone. She just gave us these videos and just vamoose. I think that's the right word, but vanish, whatever. I got ghosts. I was still recording. Y'all, that editing, if you're trying to do YouTube, then you kind of know editing is something that you have to do, and editing just was not on my list. And it's not bad, I just didn't do it. But anyway, so today I'm taking down my twists that I had up last night, because I washed my hair. We're still a little bit, but I'm just gonna sit here and take this down. It's a lot of them. Oh Lord, let's get this dry. So yeah, today I'm going to see my third consultant since I've had my Sisterlocks. The reason why I'm on my third one now, because I did have to move back to my hometown, and I got tired of just having to go to Dallas just to get my hair done. It was just a big hassle. So she is a certified consultant. I looked her up on the Sisterlocks website, of course. So she's certified, so great. And she's a cosmetologist, so big thumbs up for that. Because any other consultant I had hasn't been a licensed cosmetologist, so I actually feel like, she should be able to, help me with my journey a little bit more now, since she is, y'all, my hair look, y'all, look at that lip. Did y'all see it? And at first, y'all, I didn't see my growth. I'm like, my hair is not growing. And I remember my first consultant who did my establishment, she did tell me, she was like, your hair is going to get thicker before you start seeing the length. And of course, when you get Sisterlocks, especially if you didn't have really long hair when you established it, you ready to get that length so you can swag your hair back and forth. That's what you're ready for. So she told me it was going to get thicker. So my first 2 years, I think that's another reason too why I wasn't posting that much. I'm like, ain't much changing with my hair. But yeah, you definitely can see a difference. And if I can, I'll probably insert what it looked like when I first got it, somewhere probably over here now, or somewhere in the video. You'll see it. But yeah, definitely thick, long. I can shake them now. When you first get it and you be trying to break your neck, trying to twist your hair, but now I can just, what you say? Okay. I can just do a little bit of twisting and I got a little movement on it. So I'm gonna do a 360. I'm gonna let y'all see the back of it. It's very important when you're getting your retie. You need to make sure your locks are separated. So that's what I'm trying to just rub my fingers through right now. Make sure that, I know I didn't get all of them, make sure a lot of them are separated. Because my back is, to me, that's my problem area. But nonetheless, though, I love my hair. I love my hair. When people say you need to get Sisterlocks, I can't tell you what to do, but child, it is so much relief that you don't have to worry about your hair. Like, I legit don't worry about my hair at all. And if I do want to kind of switch it up, because y'all, I told y'all I'm a lazy natural. That's why I even got Sisterlocks, because I don't like, because the back of my hair, it just seemed like it wasn't growing as it should. And it would be like, to me, the most problem when she would go in, my second lady at that, when she would go and do my reties. So yeah. Let me see if I can see this. Alright, this is the side view. And this is the back. Y'all see? Hopefully so. This side. And this is my shorter side of my hair. Y'all can see. As you can see, grid is not there. I haven't had a retie since like February, I want to say. I want to say it was the end of February. Maybe it was beginning of March. I think it was beginning of March when I had my last retie. So this is May, so it's been at least 2 months. As you can see, my grid is going. When I go see my new consultant, I know she's gonna get that grid back going, back in full force. And I'll probably get back on a 6 month, every 6 weeks routine, but we'll see what she recommends. But yep. Alright, so that's it for this video. I hope y'all did enjoy my little update, my little takedown. So until the next video, I hope y'all have a good day. Make sure that you do hit that like button. Subscribe if you do want to keep up with my journey. It's not just Sisterlocks. We're going to do a whole lot on here. Have some traveling going on. We're going to have some weight loss going on. We're going to have some eating going on. We're going to do it all. You know, this is just living life. So if you want to see what's going on with me, make sure you do hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to make sure that you are staying tuned to when I am dropping them new videos. And I am going to get better, y'all. I'm going to get better. So until the next video, y'all be easy. Bye. My senses, when I'm blessed with your presence, stimulate my mental and my physical as you speak pleasure into my existence.